So the next area that we are going to be working on is the add featured button. So this is a really cool feature of this little bio area because it gives you a chance to add some more graphics in and add a little bit more of your branding in. And like, not to mention that, it also gives you a chance to send some traffic, which is coming to your profile, to other places. So Facebook is a little bit inconsistent with the way that it displays this depending on where you are located in the world. Sometimes it will be a big square, which I think looks fab. Otherwise it will be 3 sort of tall rectangles, and that's what we're going to be doing today because we are in Oz. So being in Australia, we get the 3 big rectangles. But anyway, I have provided templates for both styles. So just in the templates, just use what you need. But for the purpose of this tutorial, we are going to be doing the 3 tall rectangles. So I'm going to jump over back to my worksheet. And the area that I'm going to click on, because we're using the blush and rose gold set, I'm going to click on feature. And I'm going to load in that template. Beautiful. So you can see these first ones. These are the big square ones, so we are not going to be able to use those. We are going to need these ones where the content is sort of bunched in the middle a little bit more because we are doing the tall rectangle ones. So let's use this one and let's pop in a little graphic into here. And that is page 3, so I'm just going to download that one into my download folder. Awesome. Now I'm going to jump back over to Facebook. I'm going to click on this add feature button. I'm going to go add new. I'm going to upload a photo from my folder and I'm going to click that one that I just downloaded. And as you can see, it uploads there, and that's a little preview of sort of that tall rectangle that I was talking about. And I'm going to call this collection group. And I'm going to go save. So see how that appears there? It's a tall rectangle. Now, if I click on that, that will sort of bring me to a slideshow. So this gives me an opportunity to add a link to my group so people sort of know where to go. So I'm going to create a second image for this one here. I'm going to jump back over to my Canva template. And see this template here with the link? I'm going to add my link in here, which is that amazing group. And I'm going to download this page. So that is page 4. I'm going to download that to my download folder. Now I'm going to jump back across to Facebook and I'm going to hit edit featured again. And now I'm going to click this little pencil icon, and that is going to give me the opportunity to add more to this little slideshow. Now, if for example you're a designer like Mason, you could add a whole heap of your work in here, and it could be a chance for you to sort of show off some logos from your portfolio, things like that. So I'm going to add this join my group one, go done, and go save. Beautiful. I'm going to close that down. Now, as you can see, if I refresh that, if I click on this now, it will show this second page. It's like a slideshow. So that can sort of send some traffic to my group, which is really cool. And you could put some benefits for your group in there, things like that. So I am going to fill this up with 2 more things. So I'm going to use offers. So I'm going to jump back over to Canva. I am going to just make 2 more squares. So this is going to be offer 1. This is going to be offer 2. Okay, and I am going to download those now into my download folder. Awesome. So those are all downloaded. So I'm going to jump back across to Facebook and I'm just going to add those in. edit that name to say offer 1. So obviously how you use these is going to be really dependent on the niche that you are in, and obviously it takes a little bit of thought and creativity too. So really sit down, and I challenge you to think out how this section is going to work for you and how it's going to sort of send traffic to the right places.